Welcome to Mythic. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video covers my personal experience with Mythic Markets Collectibles Investing Review My Usage Experience. Mythic Markets Collectibles Investing Review My Usage Experience offers a platform for researching and potentially investing in collectible items through the Mythic Markets marketplace. It's aimed at individuals interested in alternative investments, particularly those focused on the collectible market, such as comic books, trading cards, and other similar items. Key features likely include market data, price tracking, and potentially investment tools or community features. Their website provides details on their investment strategies and risk assessments. It claims to offer transparent pricing and detailed market analysis to help users make informed decisions. They emphasize the potential for long-term growth within the collectibles market, positioning themselves as a resource for navigating this often opaque sector. Availability is likely through their website. You'll need to check their site for specific details on access. Now, let's talk about my personal experience using Mythic Markets Collectibles Investing Review My Usage Experience. Getting started was straightforward. The registration process was quick and intuitive. The interface is well designed, although it took me a little while to fully grasp all the nuances of their data visualization tools. I particularly appreciated the detailed historical pricing data they provided for various collectible items. I used their market analysis tools to research the potential value of a vintage comic book I was considering purchasing, and the information they provided was invaluable. The performance of the website was generally reliable, although I did experience a slight slowdown during peak hours. I had a quick question about a specific data point and their support team responded within 2 days via email, which I found to be acceptable. A standout feature for me was definitely the comprehensive nature of their market data. It's far more detailed than anything I'd found elsewhere. One minor drawback was the lack of mobile app support. Everything needs to be done through the desktop website. Overall, I'm quite satisfied with Mythic Markets. While it has a few quirks, it generally met my needs and provided valuable information to assist with my investment decisions in the collectibles market. That's my overview of Mythic Markets Collectibles Investing Review My Usage Experience. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Mythic for more reviews and tech tips. Check the description for any relevant links. Thanks for watching.